Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of whose app you click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above we can search about whose app. And you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.